Here we are at ABC Acres Tropical Botanical Garden, located in Hamilton, Montana, in the Bitterroot Valley. My name is Dalton. I'm property manager here at ABC. This is a passive solar and geothermal greenhouse. It is fully self-sustaining, both cooling and heating year-round here in our very cold climate. We're able to grow nearly 200 varieties of tropical ornamentals and fruits. Here's outside our building. Right when you first walk in here, we have our nursery set up with racks of LED lights, both for starting our vegetables and fruit in the spring and summer, as well as holding all of our tropical extra plants in the winter. Many of these plants are things that we're waiting to put into the greenhouse, things like gingers, alocasias, piper species, got different lemongrass, dragon fruit, different things like coffee, staghorn fern, tropical geraniums. We also overwinter our fig trees, spiral gingers, a few things that will be going in. Ashwagandha is about ready for harvest, as well as many different tamarind trees, tropical milkweed, datura, and many begonia species. Walking into the greenhouse side here, we have a few holdovers, a few papaya trees, dwarf tamarillo, eucalyptus, and avocado. We open up to our epiphyte wall here. Some air plants, epiphytic cactus, a few orchids there, beautiful Wilsonara. Few species of Tillandsia mounted to boards. It's epiphytic cactus, mistletoe cactus, as well as our staghorn ferns. It's our beautiful Wilsonara orchid. In the northeast corner, we have a large canopy of mandarin, papaya, as well as a large Mary Lane fig. That gives plenty of shade for our understory of begonias and fern species from around Asia and South America. In this section we also have turmeric plants, large monstera, as well as a pomegranate tree. This is our large banana colony. It's a dwarf Cavendish banana. We usually get between 3 to 5 racks per year. It's our alocasia, an understory of Tradescantias species. And in the center is our starfruit. This was the first year we fruited starfruit in the state of Montana. In this section we have our philodendron and anthuriums. A few different varieties like Paraiso Verde, Burl Marx, Silver Sword, Gloriosum. Here's our beautiful variegated Paraiso Verde philodendron, climbing right up as it should. It's our Florida Red as well. Tucked away in these large leaves are our fig harvest going into winter, with a few branches full of new fig fruit. My favorite citrus in the greenhouse is our key lime tree. This produces these tasty little yellow key limes. They're able to ripen on the tree, so you get very sweet, juicy. Another doing well is our ponderosa lemon. We have many understory plants, including aloe, turmeric, and ginger. We also have many friends in the greenhouse, including long-toed salamanders, toads, and frogs. There's a fuchsia under a Hawaiian tea plant. And our seed-grown papaya tree being covered by a Hawaiian lilikoi. We get multiple fruit a week off of this tree. We're very happy with how this greenhouse has come together over the last few years, being able to fully sustain itself through our cold Montana winters. We are open Monday through Friday 9 to 4 for our farm shop, as well as walkthroughs and booked tours with our greenhouse here. See you on the farm. Thanks.